There are many planetary systems in our universe, with planets orbiting a host star. Our planetary system is named the Solar System. The Solar System comprises 8 planets, approximately 170 natural satellites and countless asteroids, meteors and comets. Four innermost planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are rocky planets, whereas four outermost planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are called Jovian planets. Mercury is the smallest and nearest planet to the Sun. Whereas Jupiter is the largest and fifth planet to the Sun, it is present after the asteroid belt. Terrestrial or rocky planets have no rings. Terrestrial planets have a solid and rocky surface, with a dense metallic core. Subsequently, these four planets are smaller in size than gas giants. Earth is the only known planet where life exists. Jovian planets have a large gaseous composition and a small, molten rock core. There is no clear boundary between where the atmosphere ends and the surface starts. This is our host star, Sun. It contains 99.86% of the Solar System's mass, hence dominates the gravitational field of the Solar System. Some of the violent events take place on the Sun. This is coronal mass ejection, also known as CMEs, a powerful eruption on the Sun's surface. It is caused by instabilities in the Sun's magnetic field. They can launch 1 billion tons of superheated plasma into space. Mercury is the smallest planet of our solar system, only slightly larger than Earth's moon. Mercury is the fastest planet in our solar system, traveling 47 kilometers per second. Mercury has the shortest year of all the planets in our solar system, 88 days. Mercury has no moon. Mercury's thin atmosphere is composed of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium and potassium. This is Messenger spacecraft, first spacecraft ever to orbit Mercury. Don't confuse with Mariner spacecraft, which took flyby images of Mercury. In 2011, Messenger made history by orbiting Mercury, and took some of the eye-catching photos. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and closest to the Earth. It is also called Earth's twin because it's similar in size and density. Venus has thick, toxic atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide, and it's perpetually shrouded in thick, yellowish clouds of sulfuric acid that trap heat, causing a runaway greenhouse effect. It is hottest planet in the solar system. Surface temperature on Venus is 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. Our home planet is the third planet from the Sun, and the only place we know of so far that's inhabited by living things, while Earth is only the fifth largest planet in the solar system. It is the only world in our solar system with liquid water on the surface. It is present in the habitable zone. Earth has one moon. Our atmosphere protects us from incoming meteoroids, most of which break up in our atmosphere before they can strike the surface. Mars is one of the most explored bodies in our solar system. One day on Mars takes a little over 24 hours. Mars makes a complete orbit around the Sun in 687 Earth days. Mars has two moons named Phobos and Deimos. Mars is known as the red planet because iron minerals in the Martian soil oxidize, or rust, causing the soil and atmosphere to look red. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. It has mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined. Jupiter's stripes and swirls are actually cold, windy clouds of ammonia and water, floating in an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter also has rings. Unlike Saturn, Jupiter's rings are very faint and made of dust, not ice. Great Red Spot, a long-lived enormous storm on the planet Jupiter. It is generally reddish in color. It is greater than Earth in size, approximately 16,350 kilometers wide, large enough to engulf Earth. We exactly don't know when it started, but we are observing it for 300 years. Saturn, it is second largest planet of the solar system, is the sixth planet from our sun. It orbits at a distance of about 1.4 billion kilometers from the sun, 10 times greater than the Sun-Earth distance. Saturn is not only planet with rings, but it has most beautiful rings. Its rings are made of chunks of ice and rock. Saturn has a day of 10.7 hours. No one knows precisely. It takes 29 Earth years to orbit the sun. Uranus, it is an ice giant. Uranus is the seventh planet to the Sun. It is third largest planet of the solar system. It is 2.9 billion kilometers away from Sun. A Uranian day takes 17 Earth days. It takes 84 years to complete an orbit of the Sun. Neptune, dark, cold, and whipped by supersonic winds, ice giant Neptune is the eighth and most distant planet in our solar system. It is fourth largest planet. Voyager 2 observed weird great dark spot on Neptune similar to Jupiter's great red spot. After that, there is Kuiper belt, which is a circumstellar disk in the outer solar system, extending from the orbit of Neptune at 30 astronomical units to approximately 50 astronomical units from the solar system. After that, there is Oort cloud. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then like, subscribe, and share.